Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Part 3 of this. I just can't stop. I thought this throws a little bit. I've done several videos on how to make this interlocking. And I've already made the orange one. I'm just going to show you how I made the orange one. I just took the blue one. You got to ungroup it. Go to Object or Group and ungroup it. And then grab your interactive fill tool and just change the color of that blue dot. Go over here, change the color of the blue dot or blue square, and one more. So you just click on it and it comes up. So nothing has changed as far as the coloration of the interactive fill tool. We'll go ahead and use that one, Control G to group it. You want to have them both grouped together. Now you could put this anywhere. I'm just going to go right about into there. One thing you've got to do is I want a box that's going to encompass almost all of it. You can't really go too much. I want white, 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 white everywhere. I've got everything. So I've got the box selected. I'm going to shift select the other, which gives me both of them. Then I'm going to go to the intersect tool. I'm actually going to move that down. Now, without moving anything, take your orange one and go up to Object, Order Back a Page. So now that looks like it's on the back, but if we bring this in, it puts it back. Okay, I made a mistake. I went too far with my box. Let's back up and see what I did wrong. Okay. I only need one of these intersection. And you know, a while back, and see I'm touching there. A while back, somebody commented that they like my videos because if I make a mistake, I just keep going. So select your box, shift select your item, intersect. There we go. Grab your box, delete it, grab your orange triangle, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. So it looks like it's behind it, but now when we bring this up, it puts it back on top. And I missed a little bitty spot right there. And see, that's how I didn't have enough. I didn't have that white covered. So I need to bring this up. Let's do it again. Let's get rid of that. So you need to have, I always call it like 4 sides of white. You select your box, shift select your item, intersect. I know it's going to work this time. Object, Order, Back a Page, and then just bring that up. That's pretty cool. Just like this, already done with a black background, it really makes it stand out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit someday, and thank you for watching.